Welcome to Secure CRM, a modern customer relationship management platform designed to simplify client management, policy administration, claims processing, document handling, and business operations through one centralized and secure workspace. In this demonstration, we'll walk through the platform and explore its core features that help organizations manage customer relationships more efficiently. After signing in, we're welcomed by the Operational Hub, which serves as the central dashboard of the platform. From here, users get a quick overview of key business activities, including pending approvals, client accounts, active policies, and open claims. The dashboard also provides valuable performance insights through visual analytics, allowing users to monitor business growth and operational trends in real time. On the right-hand side, the Command Hub offers quick actions for frequently used tasks such as adding a new client, creating a policy, opening a claim, and managing team members. This enables users to complete common operations with just a few clicks. Next, we navigate to the Accounts module. This section maintains a centralized database of all client accounts, allowing users to view customer information, update records, and efficiently manage account details. Moving to the Contacts module, users can organize and manage contact information associated with each client. This helps maintain accurate communication records and strengthens customer relationship management. The Policies module allows organizations to create, manage, and monitor insurance policies from a single location. Users can easily review policy details, track policy status, and ensure accurate policy management throughout the customer lifecycle. Next, we open the Products module. Here, administrators can manage available insurance products and services offered by the organization. New products can be added, existing products can be updated, and all product information remains centrally organized. The Net Worth section provides valuable financial insights and helps monitor overall business performance through meaningful financial data and analytics. We now move to the Case Open module, where new customer cases or claims can be initiated. The structured workflow ensures that every request is properly recorded and managed throughout its life cycle. The Approvals module enables managers to review pending requests, verify submitted information, and approve or reject business operations while maintaining a secure approval workflow. Next, we explore the Documents module. This centralized repository allows users to securely upload, organize, and access important client documents whenever required,